Well, alright, I guess that concludes my first hunt of the year in Old Virginia. October 7th, bow season, morning, unsuccessful. But we will, I don't like saying unsuccessful. We didn't kill a deer, okay? And I also didn't see anything. But well, it doesn't matter. We're going to be back out this afternoon. We're going to have better luck come future. So, yeah. Get back at it this afternoon. Until then. What's going on, guys? I'm back out here this afternoon. Same spot. Ground blind. It's no longer raining, so I'm excited. We got about an hour and a half out here. Maybe about 2, if we're lucky. It's not getting dark super late yet. Time hasn't changed, but it's a good spot. I've had a lot of big deer in here, and I'm really excited. So, and a lot of big deer in here in the afternoon on the most part. So, that's exciting. So, stay tuned. I guess I should probably let y'all know that I am not a trophy hunter. Although I have killed some big ones. But that's beside the point. I'm a meat hunter. I like to save money and eat healthy. So that's what I hunt for. So on that note, I am more than happy to sling an arrow through this guy. Because I tell you what, that's a good meat right there. And also, this guy. I would 100% sling an arrow through him. What's going on, guys? I'm back here hunting my brother-in-law's piece of property with the crossbow. I normally like the compound bow, but I'm hunting with the crossbow because I'm sitting on the ground. I'm just watching over this bottom here. It had a lot of activity, so we'll see what happens. I'll probably sit out here for a couple hours. Well, I succeeded but failed. I shot a doe. I thought I hit record and I did not hit record. This is part of filming your hunts, though. Man. Oh, we got one. Let's go see it. Alright, we're gonna wait a few minutes, but I'm still shaking a little bit. It's been a while since I shot a deer, so I'm pretty excited. And it's chilly out this morning. But I still hear her kicking around up there. She's about 30-40 yards away. But beautiful bottom here. She came right up down there and walked up this edge, and I shot her. She was standing right down there. But of course, I did not hit record. Always hit record, guys. Alright, so it is official. I fucked up and I did not get a video of me shooting that deer, but that's okay because I got a lot of video of me building up to it, and I'm gonna get a video of me tracking it. So I'm gonna run back to the house real quick so I don't get my hunting clothes all bloody, and put on some other clothes and come back and hopefully retrieve that sucker. Go see her, and hopefully she's back there. Alright, so we're out here tracking now. I don't think I really need to do any tracking, but I always like to do it just to be sure. But we already got a good amount of blood. I mean, she just jumped this creek and she's already spewing, so we're gonna keep following. And this is Billy. This is a slight introduction to a channel. We will have a better one come in the future. But yeah, let's see what we can find. Oh, dude, she's fucking spewing, son. Oh, no, there she is. God damn. She didn't go far at all. Well, she's bigger than I thought she was. Oh my God, look at that shot. Fucking perfect, dude. Beautiful. Let's clean her up. Alright, she's all cleaned up and strapped up, and we're going to get her out of here. You ready?
Let's do it.
And she is loaded up. Sweet, man. You see what those hypodermics do? Jeez. Pretty deer. Thank you, Mama. And that is my first deer with that crossbow. With any crossbow, actually. So that's really exciting. Normally I like a compound bow, but I used a crossbow because I was sitting on the ground, had no blind or anything. It was just better to use a crossbow, okay? Leave me alone. But, tell you what, got the job done, though. Let's get her hung up and skinned up. I'm just saying, that's the entry wound. This is my homeless friend Billy.
Fuck up.
I'm letting him keep this hide for so he can stay warm at night. It's gonna be cold out here soon.
Not homeless.
He's not homeless.
It's a lifestyle.
It's a choice, damn it.
Yeah.
Got her all scun up. Meat's in the fridge. We'll rinse it off later. He's gonna keep the hide salted. There we go. Good 40 pounds of meat. I'll take it. Rinsed off and bagged up in some freezer bags and freeze it. So that concludes that doe hunt. We might go out this afternoon. I don't know. We'll see. But